Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a shareable list of favorite locations on Google Maps. So if you got like your favorite restaurant or maybe coffee shop that you want to save as list and you want to share with your friends, here's how you're going to do that on Google Maps. So first you can just type in the place that you want to add to the list. I'm going to just find, for example, this one. Click on the place and you'll see this place right here with the red dot, and you can just click on the save button in here. Click on save, and at the top you can just click on the new list, and here you can rename the list. For example, I'm going to just type in favorite coffee shop, for example, and in here you can just click on the shared. So set this not as private but can as shared. After that you can click on create, and to find the list that you just saved you can go back. Here you can go to the save button in here at the bottom, and here is the list. And if you want to share it with your friends, you can just click on the three dots icon and click on the share list. So you can choose to share of to WhatsApp or maybe to email or other social platform that you want. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.